What's up guys, teacher JFX, you know the story. So in today's video I just want to share with you guys about yesterday's analysis. If you actually take a look, market was here on the top, and please, if you haven't watched the previous video, you may please want to watch it, because if you start with this one you get things mixed up and you won't understand what I'm trying to say or what I'm talking about. So please watch the previous video. So in this video, what I want to explain, because this is our before, we had our after, which was the day we posted it, like yesterday. So now market was on the sell zone, just on the resistance zone. I actually explained that we've got 90% of winning rate for us to go with the sell on this zone. So this was this is actually the results of yesterday's explanation of the analysis. We had to put our stop just above our resistance zone. So this is our first target. So once we reach our first target, we'll actually go through again. We'll make another video. So if you wanna stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our free Telegram channel so you can catch up on every daily update that we make. I'll put some links just below this the description. Yeah, so like I was saying, we've got our support. This is digital JFX, you know the story. Volatility 75 index, 4 hours update, and this is our 4 hours chart. So this is what we're looking at. So since we are looking to reach our target, I think another video will be updated whether we should go for a buy or we should wait for a break, so we can sell we can sell on the support zone, which will become resistance. So I'll just give an update so we can discuss further about that. And like I said, those of you who want a one-on-one session with us, you can actually book. You know where to find us. You know, if you're in our free Telegram channel, you know where to find us. You know where to find us in our social media platforms. So I'll put the names of the digital JFX people just below the link. You'll see the links of the names of the digital JFX. We're actually a group of 3. So digital JFX is actually, yeah, a group of 3. So yeah, right now, just to catch up on a few things, let me just show you guys something that might seem like that might interest you in some ways, that will make you understand. So right now, our support, I had a question from the group. They asked me to say, why is your support starting on this rise, where the market started to be bullish? So when you actually join your support zone, you should actually respect the candles. Once you get to respect the candles, you know, sometimes stop loss can be wide, sometimes it can be small. It's just about you to decide how much risk can you put in the trade. So sometimes most of the people fail their trades because of too much risk, uncalculated risk. But some people make good money because they're always going with good risk. Because imagine, we're not doing this for today, we're not doing this for tomorrow, we're definitely doing this for a long time, you know. Let me just say lifetime. So once you're risking something, you shouldn't go all in if you don't have like capital, or you don't have any place that you will get money back to fund. So you can't risk something that you can't afford to lose. So it's like that. So like I was saying, a lot of people were asking me why I draw my support and my resistance zones and this type of thing. So the reason why is that if you look at the candles here, so at first I drew it all the way down. I drew it all the way down on these candles because I don't follow the tricks. Yeah, I don't follow them too much. I love to follow the candles because I know the candles. That's actually where I encounter like most good profits, you know. So if you look at here, just what happened on the body of the candles, what happened, we had a good fall here, we had a good bearish movement, and we also had a good bearish movement. But since market did break our previous resistance, which is just above the zones, you know, I can't blame anyone if you actually take a sell somewhere here on the zones. This will actually give you a lot of money, a good sell, you know. But that's why I'm saying, whenever you're trading in this type of zones, you don't risk, because even if you enter here, your stop loss should be higher than the previous high. So this was our previous high. So just know that here you actually, like, you know, you go for a short, don't risk too much, just take it easy. Market isn't going anywhere. Just you know, participate in the market, just have fun, you know, don't rush anything. So here is where you actually go with a smaller risk, put your stop on top. What I'm explaining here is actually a very safe trade. So you enter here, you put your stop loss above. It works like that. So again, you enter here, you put your stop above. You enter here, you put your stop above. But now, since we have a new channel whereby we've got how many touches? 1, 2, 3. So these 3 touches actually mean that at a certain level, whenever you enter, like, since we've got 1, 2, 3, we know that market shouldn't process like going forward, like like I mean to say, like, market shouldn't continue being bullish, sorry. So, yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. Market shouldn't continue being bullish. So sometimes for those people that, like, I've got smaller accounts, you can actually sell in these zones and then just put your stop loss above, follow the previous high. You follow the previous high. That's if you've got a smaller account, then you can have a sell, because this is 4 hours time frame. We're actually talking about a lot of money. This move we're actually talking about made us a lot of money and made the students a whole lot of money, and we're all proud and we're happy to be in the team. So this is how it works. You know, we all encounter losses, but how often are the wins? That's the question you should ask yourself. If your winning rate is 75%, then I think even if your winning rate can be 90%, and the losing rate can be 10%, so that means you're actually doing better, and you stay in the market for a long time without blowing the account. Because sometimes I get confused why I see people banning accounts, because if I can put this on the table, like, if you've got money and this is like, you know, you only get to invest once. Yeah, you can invest twice, you know, but for me, I consider it something that I invest once. You know, like, ever since I invested in my account, I've never had so many. Yeah, I've encountered losses, but most of the times I'm always winning, because I'm working with my risks. You know, it's about the risk management that you apply, and you have to know you know, you have to apply proper discipline, like patience, hard work. You know, all these things. They'll be part of your journey as you work on yourself. So, like I was saying, since we've got, like, how many touches, this didn't actually touch. So sometimes what happens is that even if it doesn't touch, you can still enter, and, like, on this level, even if it doesn't touch, I can still enter, put my stop loss all the way high, then I'll go with low risk. If market continues, like, bullish and hits my stop, that'll be worth a try for me. I'll be happy with my trades, you know, because I know what I'm doing. I know what made me place those positions. So that's how it is. So once we had if market this became our resistance area. So once market comes here, sometimes you don't wait for the touch, you can just go in, but just don't risk too much if you want to be safe. Because if your risk is this high and your winning rate is this, like, you know, I think it's actually a good profit for somebody who's just starting, because I'm sure with a $50 account you can actually go to 200, 150. You know, it depends with how many positions you've got. But if you've positioned one position from the top to where it is right now, I'm sure you make, like, if you've got 50, you double your account. Maybe you might go to 100 and 150, somewhere there. So that's actually a lot of money. And for people who've got, like, big money, like $1,000, if they can enter there with proper risk management, I'm sure they'll double their account. They'll go to 2.5. That's just how it is. So less money you have, the smaller money you make. Big money you have, the more money you make. That's how it is. So this resistance zones, all these resistance zones we can see here, they were good sells. You can sell, so you can sell, stop loss just below previous high, because since we've got now, this is confirming that market is actually, and as you can see, the way after market, the movement of the market will always be below the candles. So if you can see here, market below the candles again, below the candles again, below, you know, the candles are the ones that tell you the proper direction of the market, but they don't tell you the entry. They just give you. That's why whenever you're doing something, whenever you're drawing your resistance, don't just draw a single line, you know, make it like something that would look like a rectangle, you know, make it something like that, you know, but so that you can actually get a space, because you won't be perfect all the time. You won't just be, you won't just enter now and be in profit. You just have to know how you calculating your risks. That's how it is, you know. This is a game of trading, you know. So yeah, so we had some good sales here, moves that we and the team benefited from. So we got this one, and then this one right at the top. Yeah, we did get this one. So some people that the fast traders, those people that are like are so pressured in trading, they always want to make moves. They always, with their brain, something like that. Yeah, but they're always wanting to make moves. That's why they blow their account, because they can't stay without trading. They trade every day. They want to trade every time. They wanna be on the phone 24/7. They can't sleep. If they wake up, they're shaking. They're freaking out. So it isn't actually about that. So sometimes you give yourself some time. You take a break. So yeah, quite alright on my side. We did sell from this point, and we put the stop just above this previous candle right here. So once we got stopped out, it was like this risk was actually good for us, because it was like, I think it was something that like, let me just say, if there's 100% account, then it's like only 2% was lost, so which is actually good for my side, because I don't see anything wrong with that. Then we waited for market to come to the to its previous high. So here again, we got this move. Me and my team, everyone in the group, they got it. Signal was sent. So at this top here, this is where we actually like got to sell, and we said we'll put our stop just above the previous high. So this was proper risk again. It was calculated. So we didn't actually wait for the top, like I said. So the candle was halfway, somewhere like that. Then we had to place our trades and just put the stop right above. The reason I'm saying this is because market won't be the way you're thinking, won't be the way you want, you know. It won't always be double top, double bottom. No, it all somehow, like if you check our yesterday's move, you know, we didn't actually get to the top. So if you are waiting for the top, yeah, you know, you get left out in the market and you're always complaining. But if you apply proper discipline and management, you know, you can actually like make money out of every move. So this chart is active. I heard somebody said ask me if why I post videos with non-active charts. No, every video we post, all our charts are active. So if you can look, we're actually active right now. Market, the candle is moving. It's just 4 hours time frame, so it moves at a slow pace. Yeah, because it's actually a big time frame, you know. This is not a minute. Yeah, so like I was saying, we got this move. We entered somewhere like just as soon as it became in the sell zone area, we actually sold, and we actually got this move, which was quite a good move. Then we waited for market. Yesterday in our previous video, market was somewhere here, and I considered this to be our sell area, because if you calculate this, look at the risk. This is so amazing. Look at the risk. The risk we are risking right now is so small, and right now I'm telling you, yeah, there are people that came out of the market and people are still holding. But for the target to be at that point, I suggest everybody should stay away from the market and just wait for market let's wait for market behavior, for market to create some new structures, so we can actually see where we are and what's next, you know. And if you really want to know what's next, you know, like I said, you should book a seat with us, so we can like do live trading together, you know, have a Zoom session, discuss 1 or 2 things. Yeah, but like I'm saying, for now, wait for market structure, see what market makes. you know, you can just be trading all the time. You know, it's like, you know, it's festival season, so this is the only time you get to spend time with family. People are working away from home, you know, and this is the only time they come just to get to spend with their own family. So you know, this is the time I actually respect the most. You know, we're doing this just to help you, to hype you up in this Merry Christmas, you know, Happy New Year, guys. Enjoy, guys, have fun. You know, we are hyping you up. So this actually shows that 2022 will be much brighter than the year 2021, because 2021, you know, the corona had most of us, but we survived because trading, we don't even know what that is. You know, we just keep doing our own thing, make money, you know, just apply discipline, you know, like that. So we got this move. This move was so breathtaking. It was a good move, you know. Actually very impressed, and I'm happy with my team for working with me, and for you guys for your continued support, for you guys being together, because we grow together. You know, we're one team, we move as one, we do things as one. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. So every time we post something, you're always there to see, and you're always there to catch up, you know, learn a few something, you know, step by step. It's no rush, you know. You get to learn like a lot more with us as the days goes by. So like I promised, I'll still share the daily video analysis with you guys, so you can actually understand why we focus so much on market being on why we had so much confidence that market will continue bearish instead of bullish, and why we made money on this move and made money on this move again. So this here we send a signal, and here we send a signal. So like I said, market is very easy if you're trading in this type of trading. You know, you just put your zones, and you make sure you label your support. You can just leave it blank, you know, like you just come, you draw one line, because I've seen a lot of people make mistakes. People be like, this is my support, and they'll wait for market forever for them to reach their support, you know. And people will be like, this is my support, and they'll wait forever for market to reach their support. So this is what happens. This is the mistakes that most of the guys make, you know. So they continue, like they go on with you know, because I don't see any sense if you can like mark every support, every resistance, you mark them, you know. You do this, you know, look at the charts. It definitely makes no sense. So that's not how it works, you know. So how it works is that you just label your resistance zones and your support zones like this, give them a distance in between, just see where the market starts. That's why I'm saying, if you got this move, you definitely get this one, 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 because market hasn't been above our previous point. This is our previous point. So now if you take a look at this, market just pushed a little bit above our previous high, which is this one right here. So now we've got our new high. So this is our new high. So I'll just label it as our new high. So even if you're doing these things, even if you're trading, don't just trade on phone. You can you know, go on the computer, draw something, give it an aim, you know, just relax, watch my videos, subscribe, make sure you follow through, you do it by yourself. You can download the video if you want, if that makes you happy, you know, you can download it and just try and do the same analysis as me. And guys, please, if you're in the VIP group, you can download the video and just do the same analysis as me. Then you can send me and I can like check it through just to see where you're wrong and where you're not wrong. Like I said, all this will be part of our free mentorship program that we are having as Digital FX. 2022 will be a bright year, guys, I'm telling you this. So let's focus on making money. Making money is key. We all want to make money, and you know, no one hates money. Who can say no to money? So that's how it is, guys. So yeah, I'm giving a shout out to my team for helping me do all this hard work, and just for being a team. you know, for the brighter year, brighter future. I'm wishing you all guys a successful 2022. Peace out.